Hi Taurus, this is your career reading for February and March. I have coupled these 2 months to see exactly what's coming to you in this time period regarding your career, money, job, finance, or studies, whatever you do to enhance your livelihood situation, your economy, what's coming to you. And also, this is for the sun sign or the zodiac sign of Taurus or the ascendant of Taurus. So, um, what's coming to you in your environment connected to your economy is Ace of Cups. This could be also, connected to your personal life. So this can mean that self-worth is kicking back in your life. You are thinking good about yourself, you are feeling good about situations, and in your economy especially, you are feeling that a new opportunity is coming up, optimism is coming to you, you are doing your job well. So there is a possibility that a new feeling, a new sensation regarding your work is coming in your life. So there is a breath of fresh air in your economy. So the clarification is the Ace of Pentacles. So Ace of Pentacles means a new opportunity of safety, security, stability, money, inheritance, a new job, new offer is coming in. So you could be hearing about it, it's coming towards you, and you need to convert this opportunity. And the beginning of, beginning of a situation is coming in, it's beckoning you to convert it. So what was happening in your situation which is still showing in your present moment is the Five of Wands. So Five of Wands could be disagreement, problems, people trying to pull you down, things obstructing your path. But very soon this situation is ending because you are getting this new offer, new things, and you were gripped in some kind of fear in this time period. Something was keeping you in its trap. So it could be fear, it could be self-doubt, it could be your environment around you, some miscommunication, some problems with colleagues was taking place, but it has passed because what you are getting in this time period in the month of February and March is Four of Wands and the World. So there could be, as long as this Four of Wands lasts, this is a short-term energy of success. This is, accomplishing a target. A reward comes in with it, and that reward could be a transfer, could be a change of location, could be, foreign trip travel, it could be connection with foreign clients or foreigners in this time period. So there is a possibility that a new cycle is starting, one cycle is over with the Four of Wands. There is in success coming to you, a reward coming to you, a balance back in your economy and upgrade. So there will be a sense of fulfillment that will be happening in the month of February or March. And as long as this energy of success lasts, you have to start making efforts for sustaining your near future. So you will start working on your economy once again, and you are going to make efforts. So there could be a holiday, there could be a break, or a reward comes in, a break happens, and you take a break and then you start once again. That is what angels are predicting, and this is with a new situation, this is with a new job or a new project comes in for you because of what because you have been successful in one, and that is over. With fulfillment and a sense of elevation, you start another one, another project, and with this Six of Wands is coming in. So whatever you will be doing, it is going to be rewarding, and you will be in leadership position, you will be very very good in your task, a good taskmaster, and a good a person who has good work method. So very good cards generally in terms of February. You can feel feel some difficulties, but they are over. And with the Seven of Swords, you will be able to extricate yourself from setbacks, and solutions will come up because you will be planned in this time period. Or if you have faced deception, uncertainty, problems, or something like the devil, something that tempted you, something which was a fraud or a swindling kind of energy, you were feeling sad about it, something did not work out, you will take time out to reflect on that. And that is telling me that with the Queen of Pentacles energy, you will come back to balance. You will become very, very pragmatic, and you will be reflecting on your economy, taking time out to, think about what should be your next step. And that is showing me stability. So you will be having your eyes on long term, practical energies of earning money, and also looking after your health and family. With the Two of Wands, you will be prospecting for better things, better jobs. An expansion will be on your card. It could mean that you will be thinking of taking a risk in this time period, taking a new path in this time period. And for many of you, there can be a possibility that a transfer takes place and you have to go towards a new situation. And in the month of March, definitely it depends on your choice whether you take it or not. With the Harmony card of the Lovers and the Fool, a new path is definitely starting. You will be deciding, okay, this is something I need to do to enhance or to change my status quo. So maybe you don't like this change, but then you will accept it, and you will be ready to take that leap of faith which is coming in front of you. I told you the offer is coming. That's the influence. The offer will come, but your energy is like, let me stay in status quo. Let me not change this situation. So Four of Pentacles tells us that you want balance. So 444 is coming all around you. So generally your situation will be very stable. You will need to think proactively with the Four of Swords, because you are conservative in matters of your wealth or earning money or your job. But there is also a possibility of new situation that will ask for you to take this leap of faith, which could be a new thing. So you will have to think about it very, very carefully. And with the Four of Wands, it is going to be rewarding. So maybe many of you will remain the way you are, because after thinking what suits the best for you, you will decide that you will pass an opportunity, or some of you will grab that opportunity and take that new study, new course, a new transfer, new role. So there is a possibility of change in the month of March, which will be good for you. So the Ace of Wands, so a new beginning is all around you with the 111. So Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and Ace of Wands. So 444 is your mindset, but with the aces, the new situation is coming in for you, Taurus. So intuitively you will decide to sacrifice something and change your perspective with the High Priestess and the Hangman card. So if you were feeling okay, if you were feeling balanced, but you were in some situation which you could not help, so internally you will decide to sacrifice that situation which is not working, and this will be totally your own decision, and it will come from within. So offers will come to you, and you will decide to either leave something or start something. You can be having or conceiving a child at this time period, because the Empress and the Knight of Pentacles is in the picture. So this is a expansion card with the Empress, fertility card with Empress, or abundance card which is coming in for you. Energies are showing that you will be sacrificing something to embrace a new situation for yourself. It could be slowly and steadily moving towards it. You are very reliable, so cautious energy is coming in. Slowly you will be moving towards the new direction. That is what I am seeing, and it is going to have lot of promise for you. Like the child in the womb has lot of promise for us. Similarly, a opportunity has a long term a promise for you, which you will be moving towards with great working energy, perseverance, loyalty, and reliability. That is what I am seeing, Taurus. So let's read out the Lenormand for you. So 15 number card, the bear card, has come for you. This says that the bear means the personality. So your personality at this time is to remain alone, because there could be personality clash with someone in your work situation. There could be confrontation in family or in work situation, because there is this 5 of Wands energy. But it's passing, and you will make way, and you will decide to stay away from confrontations, because you will have these things around you. But to approach your situation in a stable manner, you are going to accept an unwanted relocation, or work stress could trouble you, but you will find peace on your own, and final decision will be your own. That is what I am seeing. So inability to accept compromises has obliged you to make unpleasant changes. That is what happened in the past. Now you will have problems with people. So there could be people around you who will lack collaboration energy. So you could be having a grumbler around you. So unexpectedly, some of you will suffer a transfer and stressful change of role. But the success will come to you. That is the result, despite the high risk or despite the disturbance that you will feel. Some of you could have gone through difficulty in getting inheritance or finding money in time of need. So some of you will have those problems, but you have passed that as well. Some of you are victim of someone spending your money, and that is exceeding your income, and bills are rising. So maybe you spend some money on house or furniture that has costed you something much on your, like, pressing on your purse. So or you have spent money on friends, etc., that has caused you some a hole in your pocket. But even if you go through all these problems, ultimately you will get through this situation in terms of money, and you will be able to move to better situation. That is what I am seeing, because you have the great energy of being reliable, solid, and practical. So this is what I have for you, Taurus. If you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted. You can contact me through the email ID in the description box. I will let you know how to book my readings, and enjoy the free readings which I post for you all the time. And keep watching this channel, this space, Tarot Priestess 1313, which is always at your service. And I love doing what I do for you guys. It's no obligation for me, but it's like great if you guys are interactive and you keep watching, and I have a good fan following. Thank you so much. Bye bye.